Hi everyone, and welcome to our CQL Pro video tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn how to convert a CQL Omni label file into CQL Pro format. The CQL Pro label converter allows you to convert your CQL Omni label files and use them with CQL Pro software without having to redesign them. To convert your CQL Omni label files using CQL Pro Converter, double-click on the CQL Pro launcher from your desktop. Under Tools, click on Convert a CQL File, or go to the Start menu, All Programs, CQL Pro, and select CQL Pro Launcher. Once you're in the CQL Pro Launcher, under Tools, select Convert a CQL File. Click on Convert Custom Quick Label Files, click Add to Browse to the files that you want to convert. In this example, the files are saved on the desktop. You can add multiple files by holding down the Control key while clicking on the files, or by simply highlighting them all. Once you add all of your files, click Convert. The status now says Converting. Wait for the progress bar to turn green, and the status says Converted. The converted files will be saved in the same location as the original files. Now that the files are converted, we have label 1 and label 2. The same names as the original files, but they have a different file extension. The new file extension is .qll. That's how you convert your files. Double-click on one of the converted files to open it with CQL Pro software. This is a rounded label. Click on the Label tab and you can see the size. It's 2.375 inch circle. The label file does not include the printer and label properties such as glossy paper, die cut, black mark, total width, and so on. In order to print the label correctly, we need to create a profile that has the printer and label properties. Click File, and then click Print. From the Print Setup window, select the printer you want to print to. For example, let's select the QL120 printer. We don't have any profiles yet, so click on the Add button to add a new profile. We're going to print on this file a 2.375 inch circle, or rounded label, with glossy paper and a black mark, also known as reflective. Give the profile a name, for example, 2.375 inch circle. In this section, you can enter the printer properties, but we'll do this later. Now let's enter the media properties. Note that there's a tag inside the roll that has all the dimensions you'll need to complete this section. Please use these values. For the baseline printer, it's QL120. The shape, we're going to set it as oval. Enter the media type, for example, glossy paper. Sensor type, this material has a black mark, therefore the sensor type has to be reflective. Now we're going to enter the label dimensions. The width is 2.375 inches, and the length is 2.375 inches. Notice now the label has become a circle. The maximum printable width is 2.375 inches. The maximum printable length is 2.461 inches. The total width is 2.5 inches. That's the width of the label, including the edge trims on both sides. The black mark length is 0.125 inches. Once you're done, click Save. Now we have the profile that we can use for printing. Set your print quantity and click Print. That's it. Now you know how to convert a label file from CQL Omni to CQL Pro. We hope you found this video helpful. For additional video tutorials, please visit our CQL Pro video playlist.